7 days to stop overthinking, day 5. Create space between you and your thoughts. Welcome to day 5 of your journey to a calmer, clearer mind. Find a comfortable position and allow your body to settle. Gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in. And slowly breathe out, releasing any tension. Bring your attention to your natural breathing. Feel each inhale and each exhale as they flow. Today we create space between you and your thoughts. Notice any thoughts that are present right now. Instead of becoming the thought, observe it. You are not inside the thought, you are watching it. Imagine placing the thought in front of you. Like an object you can see clearly. Create a little distance between you and that thought. With each breath, feel that space expand. Take a slow, deep inhale. And a long, gentle exhale. The more space you create, the less control thoughts have. You are not your thoughts, you are the observer. Let that awareness grow stronger. Notice how thoughts come and go on their own. You do not need to hold on to them. You do not need to push them away. Simply allow them to exist at a distance. Return gently to your breath again. Feel the calm space within you. Now bring awareness into your body. Notice areas where thoughts may create tension. With each exhale, allow those areas to soften. Relax your forehead and your eyes. Release your jaw and your shoulders. Let your chest and stomach relax naturally. As your body relaxes, your mind follows. The space within you becomes more open. Thoughts appear, but they do not overwhelm you. You are calm, steady, and aware. If a thought pulls your attention, simply notice it. And gently step back into awareness again. Each time you do this, you strengthen your clarity. Take a deeper breath in now. And slowly breathe out. Bring awareness back to your body. Gently move your fingers and your toes. Feel the support beneath you. Carry this space and clarity into your day. When you feel ready, softly open your eyes. Notice the calm distance between you and your thoughts. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.